A day in the workshop can be incredibly stressful. Inaccurate diagnoses slow down repairs. And as vehicle technology evolves, so does the complexity. How can anyone possibly keep pace? But what if a typical day could look like this? Because Bosch has the solution. A solution that thinks for itself. ESI Tronic from Bosch elevates workshops to the next level. One software to meet all the challenges of modern automotive service. It all starts with guided troubleshooting based on instructions. Precise, fast, efficient. Next are field-tested solutions with clear step-by-step instructions. ESI Tronic provides the right information right when it's needed. It even covers complex tasks like the sensor calibration for ADAS systems. And for the toughest cases, a Bosch expert is always on standby. With Bosch Remote Diagnostics, problems are solved in real time through a live video call. Combustion engine or EV, it doesn't matter. Whatever the model, ESI Tronic knows it inside and out. New vehicle models and technologies? Not a problem, thanks to automatic software updates. The result? More vehicles repaired in the same amount of time. Greater efficiency, greater confidence, and a far more relaxed workshop environment. It's all the necessary knowledge, all in one place. Future-proof the workshop with the diagnostic solution from Bosch.